The war between Russia and Ukraine has relied heavily on military drones, and now Ukraine is trying to rely less on China for those drone components. NTD's Jason Perry has the details.
The war between Russia and Ukraine has relied on millions of military drones for surveilling the battlefield and striking enemy targets. And in 2026, Ukraine announced plans to produce 7 million military drones. According to a report by The Guardian, which cited Ukraine's Ministry of Defense, Ukraine now has more than 100 manufacturers of drone components in the country, and Ukraine is now seeking to rely less on China for drone parts, accusing the Chinese Communist Party of aiding Russia with military equipment, an apparent conflict of interest for Ukraine. Also cited in the Guardian report, Snake Island Institute, an independent Ukrainian think tank, says Taiwan, with its reputation for excellence in technology, makes it a favored alternative source for Ukrainian drone manufacturers. According to the Research Institute for Democracy, Society, and Emerging Technology, or DSET, Taiwanese drone exports to Europe surged more than 40-fold in 2025. And in the first quarter of 2026, drone exports have already surpassed last year's total. According to the Guardian report, interviews conducted by DSET indicate that most of the drones exported from Taiwan to Europe were intended for Ukraine. Meanwhile, Taiwan President Lai Ching-te promoting a $40 billion supplementary defense budget that includes funding for drones and the integration of artificial intelligence. However, according to the Customs Administration, Taiwan's current output is in the hundreds of thousands of drones per year, while demand for drones in Ukraine measures in the millions per year. And while Ukraine does not formally recognize Taiwan, the Guardian report also mentions that some Taiwanese companies have established local facilities in Lithuania and Poland to better serve Ukraine. Jason Perry, NTD News.